Let's continue our work on the dashboard. I want to make date format clearer. To do this, select the chart, click on Format on the Visualization tool. There are all charts features. Open X-axis and change type into categorical. Now data is presented in full format. It can be changed by clicking on Data String and changing its format on Column Tools bar. Select this one. On this chart, we should turn off the Y-axis showing. Its title didn't become hidden automatically, so turn it off too. Go down to Data Labels. Change its position to above and increase size to 12. In Shapes, we make a stroke wider. Let it be 5. Add markers and increase its size to 6. Also, let's change heading. Power BI uses column's name for auto headings and it looks unwieldy. Write leads. Font size 16. We've modified our charts and now apply its format to others using Format Painter. And we need to rewrite headings because they can't be changed automatically. Leads, presentations, offers, contracts. Also, let's set title here, Sales Funnel. And add it to the column chart, Contract by Salesperson. I forget increasing the text size to 16 and check it here. Let's also modify histogram. Click on it. I want Add Data Labels. Change its size to 12. And now it's better to hide white axis because we shouldn't duplicate data in our chart. And hide its title too, because as you remember, it didn't become hidden automatically. Increase the font size on axis X to 12. Repeat it for funnels data labels. Click on the funnel, choose Data Labels. Increase the font size to 12. And for categories too, font size 12. Useful feature, in Data Label we can change the label style. Now it shows only value. It can show percent or first, previous or both. Choose values and present or first. In decimal places, write 0. Now it shows conversion and it's obvious that company list is 100%, whereas contracts are signed. So we can delete percentage from above and from below. To do it, choose conversion rate off. Click on each manager's name and see conversion of his work. For more detailed data information, we can group data by month. I'd like adding a slicer. To do it, we have to make our chart smaller. OK. Click on the slicer and choose Data column. Switch to Hierarchical and delete year, quarter, and day. Now it's presented like a list. Let's try another view. In Format, General, change orientation to horizontal. We can just fold it to 3 months because we work only with data of January, February, and March. Now it looks compactly, and we see a result of each month. If you press Ctrl and on 2 or 3 months, it will show workflow of these months. Let's create heading by adding the text box. Type Sales Funnel Report, font size 24. To sum up our lesson, notice that we prepared content for the dashboard. However, it's monotonous and look like dimly. In the next part, I'm going to work with design and colors.